In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a website on Hostinger and make it live using hPanel. This quick guide is designed to help you get your website up and running smoothly, so stick around and by the end, you'll have everything in place. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. Once you're there, you'll want to log in to access your dashboard. This is where the magic happens and all your website management tools are located. Upon logging in, you will be greeted by a clean, user-friendly interface. Now let's get started. Next, click on the Websites tab in the upper navigation menu. This is where you'll get an overview of all the websites associated with your account. It acts as your central hub for managing and organizing each site you're hosting with Hostinger. Once you're on that page, locate the website you wish to host and then click on Edit Website. You're now stepping into the editing environment. At this stage, you'll want to connect your domain. If you haven't purchased a domain, now's the time to do so. Your domain is essentially your website's address on the internet. To connect it, navigate to the section labeled Connect Your Domain here. Enter your domain name and follow the prompts to link it with your website. This important step is often overlooked but is vital for ensuring users can access your site once it's live. After successfully connecting your domain, you'll need to update the website to ensure all changes take effect. You can do this by clicking on the Update Website button. This process may take a few moments, so be patient. While the site updates, the system is working hard to sync all your recent changes, making sure everything is in tip-top shape. And there you have it. You've hosted your website on Hostinger using hPanel, and it is now live for the world to see. Thanks to Hostinger's straightforward tools and features, you've managed this in just a few simple steps. Remember, the key to successful web management is regular updates and optimizations, ensuring your site remains in good health. As a quick recap, we started by navigating to Hostinger, moved on to organizing our websites via the Websites tab, edited our website, connected our domain, and finally updated the site. These steps combined help bring your vision to the web. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. For any questions or further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy hosting, and see you in the next video.